So welcome to Sydney Harbour. We're out doing some field strength tests. It's a Saturday afternoon. You can imagine there's lots of people down here. We're at the Opera House just opposite the Sydney Harbour Bridge. We've got one of the ferries going past and you can see a cruise ship just came in this morning. We're road testing the new SignalShark from Narda. Now this has got the new probe that goes from 200 megahertz to 8 gigahertz. What we have here in Sydney is we've got all the mobile bands. We've got 4G and 5G, all the technologies. We've got FM broadcast, TV in very close proximity to the city. So we're doing a couple of tests. The first test we're going to look at is the whole radio frequency spectrum from the bottom end, from 200 megahertz, I should say, up to 4 gigahertz. That captures all the mobile bands. And what I'm going to do is show you the analyzer. We're measuring channel power, so that's integrating everything. But then we can put the SignalShark into a 5G analysis mode and look at the actual signal levels just from the Telstra traffic here at Sydney Harbour. So if you want to bring the umbrella over, we'll see if we can show you the screen. What we're looking at is we're looking at the low end down here, right up to 4 gigahertz. These are the 5G mobile bands that you can see. We're measuring the actual traffic, which is the blue trace that's going up and down. The red is the peak, and the green is the average. So they're the three traces we're running. Now, what we've set up to do here is we're actually recording the average power over the whole bandwidth. So you can imagine there's a lot of people here. We're measuring an average level of 0.043% of the public safety limit. Now, the public safety limit is the 100% line you can see at the top of the screen. All of these individual signals here are different channels in the mobiles and broadcast bands. These are the 5G mobile channels. You can see they're well below 100%. In fact, this is a logarithmic scale, so it's units of 10. But when you integrate over the whole band, this gives us the maximum reading. So the maximum here is just under 5%. It's I think it's 4.8%. But the average, which is the one we're interested in, is 0.043. Now that's everything happening here on Sydney Harbour with all of the mobile traffic and all of the TV, all of the broadcast and everything using two-way radios. So what that is that gives us a look at everything that we've got here down on Sydney Harbour. Now we can zoom in on any of these bands, which we're going to do. And if you want to turn around that, we're just setting up a couple of the other instruments back here. You can see us in the background. We've brought down all of the kit today. We've got some of our Telstra grads helping us out. But that's a wrap from the first look at Sydney Opera House.